And who built it? The name of the company?
Eurocharged, man.
Eurocharged Performance, Turbocharged Srt-6.
There you go, he can narrate.
Complete custom fabrication.
Correct. What size turbo is that?
50 trim. 50 trim for exhaust with 50 trim compressor.
Type of intercooler?
I knew Brian's hood was open when everyone was over here.
Cast aluminum end tanks. Custom 3-inch turbo back V-band all the way through. Not bad for a 13-second grocery getter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Stock crank pulley.
Yeah, to put out.
And built in 11
Stock
days.
supercharger pulley.
There you go.
Sitting at the
Even
top.
still got the supercharger clutch in there.
Stock blower. And who's behind the fabrication on this?
The Czar.
Czar.
The Czar and Chris, I can't pronounce their last names.
The Czar, what you
You did it?
Yes.
All right.
I'm guilty.
He's not guilty.
Check out the website, Eurocharged.com.
That's right.
You gotta